to take home your very own AR drone, we have 9 U.S. retailers, including Brookstone, Barnes & Noble, and Bright Electronics. They retail for $299. That's right, you can leave Las Vegas with your very own AR drone.
In other words, baby, kiss me.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're going to see some serious shit.
All right, let's give those drones a hand.